Hey guys, welcome back. Here's my actual vid on Roblox. We're gonna play some ragdoll engine. Sorry about the thing. There, that's good. So, yeah. I can't really see like stuff because I'm trying to get this video. This is a good video. So, okay, guys, sorry about that. Sorry about this thing. It's just hard to see right now. So we'll just do like a random video with yeah. So yeet. Oh, wait. Oh, I landed right here by this guy. But if you want to friend me, my username is Critical Gamer Boy. But if you can search up the NPC123, but my username is now Critical Gamer Boy. I'll just keep playing. And yeah. Oh shoot. Yeet. So I'm trying to do a video without a voice, but it's not seeming to working. It's not working. But yeah. This is the best I can do. So this video might be short. Sorry about that. But yeah. Yeet. Okay, it's working. Yeah, bro. Hey. Oh, darn it. Didn't work. They're moving. Let's push this guy. Hello, sir. Oh my gosh. I always see these things in Ragdoll Engine. All lives matter. All lives matter. And like races. Whatever that is. Yeet. It's weird. Trying to do the best to avoid that. Whatever it is. Yeah. Oh, shoot. Yeah. And this channel is kid friendly. Yeet. I am using a keyboard. Let's go. Oh, it's gone. Oh, I'm blind. Wow. Okay, this is just weird. But guys, that will end it off with today. Sorry if it was short, but yeah. See you next time, YT. Bye.